You might want to know how to get to the Azuremyst Islands in World of Warcraft from, let's see, from the Kalimdor, not from other places. And this is the main port we have in Darkshore, right here, which you can go from here, right there. If you take that boat, you will end up in Stormwind. From here, you'll end up in Teldrassil Darnassus, yes, right? And from there, you have to start. And you have to go forward here. And we have to wait the boat. This one will take you to the Azuremyst Islands, to the place where Dranis are spawning. And that will be their main island, if I'm not wrong. Yes, I'm not wrong. It's so sad to think that all this port was destroyed in the Cataclysm version by the Deadwing, but yeah, it is what it is. I always loved WoW Classic the most. World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King was the game which I basically grew playing it. I still remember I was 12 or 13, can't remember exactly right the age I was when I started playing this game, but I'm so happy now learning new people how to do stuff in this game, like this Drani who wants to go back home to his islands where yeah, I lost the story I wanted to create right now. That being said, I will get to you as soon as the boat just arrive, because I just feel like I'm going to throw this tiny wolf in the water. He has no chance of survival. He have to swim all the way to the shore, and I'm sure he's not a good swimmer as he's a baby. I understand I have to cut there the video. No worry why I shouldn't cut the video there. This is the slowest boat that arrives, in my opinion. This is the slowest one. I mean, the Stormwind boat, that one arrives in every 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The other one is pretty much the same but slower, and this one is the slowest. I mean, I have no idea. I think I waited 3 minutes or something. Still very much when you're trying to do stuff and be productive. And yeah, that being said, we just arrived in the Azuremyst Islands. From here you'll find here the Exodar, and here is the spawning point of Drani, as I told you. So I don't want to keep you any longer than is needed, guys. Oh, let me buff this guy really quick. So I don't want to keep you any longer than is needed. I really hope I help you with this tutorial. Give us a like if I help you, and you can leave any comments down in the comment section if something didn't work for you. That being said, please have a wonderful day out there.